Are you a healthcare professional? Do you face challenges in effectively communicating with your Arabic-speaking patients? Introducing Alif Bee Academy, the globally trusted and Pearson-accredited platform to learn Arabic the easy way. With over 1.85 million app downloads and 250,000 active students, we make learning Arabic an enjoyable and effective experience. Alif Bee offers comprehensive learning solutions for all, from children and schools to specialized curricula for corporations and institutions. Today, we are highlighting our Arabic for Medical Purposes Diploma program, specially designed for non-Arabic speaking doctors, nurses, reception staff, and medical students. This program is designed to empower you to book patient appointments with ease, communicate effectively with patients and their families to understand their symptoms and explain treatment plans, recognize the names of diseases, symptoms, and medical departments in Arabic, and confidently write treatment plans and medical prescriptions. The curriculum includes 32 lessons and over 600 essential medical vocabulary words, structured across 4 comprehensive units that cover everything you need for communication in a medical environment. Our learning methodology starts with vocabulary, then sentences, and finally interactive dialogues, all supported by functional images. The program uses diverse tools, including presentations, worksheets, and Kahoot competitions, in addition to the Alif Bee app for self-practice. Visit our website or download the Alif Bee app now. Alif Bee. Learn Arabic the easy way.